is with great respect due your offices that I'm addressing the leaders here today. But as a constituent representing a cross-section of your city, we expect the respect that we give you in return. Our citizens group had to file an open records request through the state law to get a copy of our city budget. We found that process to be a system of evasions and a game of withholding. That told us the attitude of this government towards transparency and accountability. We are aware that you are spending money in ways that we do not approve as the people who voted you into office and expect you to represent our needs, our desires, and how we want our money spent in this city. I thank every one of you who have voted no from the bottom of my heart as one of the residents who is suffering in this ongoing recession. I know each of you know people who are suffering personally, who cannot afford the necessities that they need or the protections that they need for their households. They don't need higher tax burdens at this point. We do not appreciate the game of rabbit where you enforce tax raises that we don't approve.
We want you to understand that there is a measure being put into play right now where citizens are trying to recall the mayor. And we want you to know that if you want to represent us, you need to vote the way that we asked you to vote. We need you to listen, and we need you to converse and communicate with us as the people who are paying the